Because today I want to unboxing my YJ guanlong. Let's see the box. It's very nice and very good quality and good nice packaging. And let us open. This is an instruction that teach you how to do, but this time I don't know use. And see the box. I mean the cube. The cube is so soft and very smooth and very so like it's not like this, a little heavy. And let us test how is the corner tasting good. Okay, it's very good. And the movie is smooth. The color is so bright and I like the color. I have this look like this but not so bright like than this, because this is a good quality, the first quality that I ever have than this Rubik cube, the YJ guanlong. This is the YJ guanlong, but this is the from the big cube from Indonesia. And as that, how fast is this? Oh, very nice, so smooth. I like this. The corner twisting very fast. I like it, and I like the texture because it's very smooth and very easy to spin very fast, and I like it. See, very smooth and not magnetic. Let's see inside. It looks like this, the texture, and okay. And the corner is just same thing with another YJ, but a little different because it's very have a little strip here. And this is the logo from Indonesia logo, big cube, and moving so quality, and I like it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.